How to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings. Scroll down. Select Chats. Scroll down. Locate Chat Backup and tap on it. Now tap Backup button and back up all your datas. Now exit from WhatsApp and tap and hold WhatsApp. Tap on icon. This will lead you to the app info section of WhatsApp. Scroll down. Choose Storage Users. Tap Clear Cache. Come back. Select Permissions option. Scroll down. Make sure to allow camera option along with other option. If not, tap on particular permissions and tap allow. That's it. Now your WhatsApp status not showing problem will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.